Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the rewards for using the SoFi credit card. The SoFi credit card, specifically the SoFi Unlimited 2% credit card, offers unlimited 2% cash back rewards on all eligible purchases. This is a flat rate across all spending categories, simplifying your rewards earning. There are no limits or caps on how much cash back you can earn, nor are there rotating categories to track. For SoFi members who book travel through SoFi Travel, the card often provides an enhanced rate, such as 3% cash back rewards on those purchases. The cash back is earned as rewards points within the SoFi Member Rewards program. These points offer flexible redemption options within the SoFi ecosystem, typically at a rate of 1 cent per point. You can redeem your rewards points in several ways: as a statement credit applied to your SoFi credit card balance, deposited into an active SoFi account, such as your SoFi checking and savings or SoFi Active Invest accounts, applied toward paying down an eligible SoFi personal loan or student loan refinance, used to book travel through SoFi Travel. Another significant benefit is that the card generally has no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, which saves you money on everyday use and international travel. The card also often comes with MasterCard World Elite benefits, which can include things like cell phone protection and ID theft protection. For SoFi members who also have a SoFi checking and savings account with direct deposit, there is often an additional benefit, such as a 10% boost on cashback rewards, increasing the base earning rate to 2.2% on all eligible purchases, and a higher rate on SoFi travel bookings. The key reward is the unlimited 2% cash back on everything, with the flexibility to use those rewards to save, invest, or pay down debt within your SoFi accounts. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.